What if I told you that your high-end gaming rig could be sabotaging your performance without you even realizing it? It might sound hard to believe, but many gamers overlook the risks of performance drops in their top-tier devices. You might feel in control, but hidden stress signals are lurking ready to strike. Imagine you are in the middle of an intense match, adrenaline pumping, when suddenly your frame rates drop, leaving you vulnerable. What just happened? It can catch you off guard. Many gamers ignore the warning signs until it's too late. Issues like overheating, power spikes, or software glitches can quietly chip away at your performance while you're focused on the action. Picture this: you've just invested hundreds in the latest graphics card, expecting a seamless gaming experience. Instead, you're hit with lag. Frustration kicks in, and you might blame the game or your internet connection, but the truth could be more concerning. What if the issue lies within your settings? Or maybe your components are overworked? This gradual decline in performance can happen in the background while you're fully immersed in gameplay. You could be missing crucial updates or neglecting to monitor temperatures. Just a few degrees too hot, and your once top-tier gear can become a performance drain. It's a ticking time bomb that you might not even know is there. Now, think about those moments before a big competition. You're feeling confident, and then disaster strikes. Your gear stutters and your performance plummets. You replay that moment, wishing you had caught the warning signs in time. But here's the good news: recognizing those stressed signals can turn things around. By paying attention to your system's subtle hints, like a slight rise in temperature or unusual software behavior, you can take action before trouble hits. You could make adjustments, optimize your setup. It's like having a sixth sense that enhances your competitive edge. So, what's the takeaway? Your tech is just a tool, it's a living entity that needs your attention. Don't let performance drop risks catch you off guard. Stay alert, keep an eye on the signs, and you'll elevate your gameplay, ensuring every match is your best one yet. Next time you boot up, take a moment to listen. Your gear might be trying to tell you something important. Have you ever felt that sinking sensation when your high-end gaming rig suddenly stutters in the middle of a boss fight? Believe it or not, this happens more often than you might think, and the cause might surprise you. Let's dive into the uncomfortable reality of performance drop risks in high-end gaming technology. You might assume that having the latest hardware guarantees a smooth gaming experience, but a small oversight can ruin everything. Picture this: you're ready to jump into your favorite game, adrenaline pumping, and then lag hits. So, what's causing this issue? It's not just about having the newest graphics card or the fastest SSD. Many gamers fall into a hidden trap. Imagine your system running smoothly, but a simple buildup of dust leads to overheating. That high-end cooling system, it might not be performing as well as you think, turning your gaming sessions into a frustrating struggle. Or consider this: you've just adjusted your settings for the best visuals, but without realizing it, you've sacrificed frame rates for stunning graphics. The game looks amazing, but your gameplay, it's a jittery mess. Now let's talk about updates. You might be tempted to skip them, thinking, if it isn't broken, don't fix it. That mindset can be risky. What you don't see is a slow decline in performance lurking in the background, ready to catch you off guard when you're deep into gameplay. Have you noticed the gap between the specs that are advertised and the actual performance you experience? It's like being sold a dream, only to wake up to a nightmare. It's crucial to recognize that the tech world thrives on hype. Now, picture yourself in an intense multiplayer match, and suddenly your system lags. Your heart races. Isn't just a game, it's your pride on the line. You realize too late that your settings were sabotaging your success. So what can you do? First, take charge. Regular maintenance can prevent disaster. Keep an eye on temperatures, ensure your drivers are up to date, and don't overlook those small adjustments. Fire more important than you might think. Consider how often you really evaluate your gaming setup. Just like a car needs fuel, your tech requires care. Neglecting it can lead to significant performance drops when you need it most. As you think about all this, consider your next gaming session. Will you let those red flags go unnoticed? It's time to take action and ensure your performance stays at its best. Before you jump back into your game, take a moment to reflect on what you might be overlooking. Your future self will definitely thank you. Hidden burdens can slow you down. Here's the kicker: the more advanced your setup, you might think you're at the peak of your game, but small missteps can lead to significant setbacks. The stakes are higher than you might realize, and you can't afford to ignore this. So, what's the solution? It's not just about upgrading your hardware, it's about creating an environment where your gaming rig can truly thrive. Regular cleaning, ensuring optimal airflow, and keeping your software updated can make a world of difference. Before you dive into your next gaming session, take a moment to evaluate your setup. Are you doing everything possible to prevent those annoying performance drops? The answer